Brown box. Bonjour everybody, I'm starting this vlog today with a bit of a French flair because this is going to be a beautiful vlog with an unboxing of a bag that I recently purchased and I've just literally received today, and I couldn't wait to unbox it with you. I haven't opened it yet. It is a Parisian brand, j'adore Paris, and I thought let's start with a bit of a French vibe, doing a little bit of a skin routine. I've just used my La Mer lotion, and then I'm going in with my Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This one I'm going to apply it on my fingertips, and I'm just gonna put it all over my face. I hope you're all well. Thank you for joining me on this video. Oh, so nice. I just wanted to be into the right mood before I do the unboxing. I've had the parcel just sitting in the sitting room for a few hours now, and I just cannot wait. So I think I'm not going to put any makeup or anything today. I will apply a little bit of my La Mer cream. I love this cream. I have featured it in a few get readies with me, and I love the smell, guys. Same as the box that I partially opened earlier on. The moment I opened it, the bag came in a just simple brown box, and then it was the proper packaging, and I just sniffed it a little bit. Called me weirdo, but I am, and it was just smelling of leather. This is another smell other than the La Mer cream that I love. So I don't want to bore you with my get ready with me skincare and makeup routine. I think next I'm gonna go in with some of my nude sticks products, and I'm going to apply a red lippy. I got this sample from Hermès. It is the Rouge Orange 53 Matte, which is a beautiful color, even though it is an orangey red, and I don't do orangey lipsticks. You'll see it. It's a beautiful shade of orange slash red. So let me get ready, and then we'll go in the living room to do the unboxing. Nespresso, the Paris one, because again, let's have all things French in this video. Sat down comfortably. I have the box and the bag is inside, and I wanted firstly to show you the box that the parcel came in. So just a regular brown box, which was the exact size of this box, so it fitted perfectly inside. And in general, my first thought was that everything was packed securely, and there was no space in the box for maybe, you know, this box and the bag to be moving during the transit or anything. So I was really impressed with the packaging. So this is the packaging of the bag. It is a paper box that, if you look up closely, it looks like stone. I really like the box. It was a little bit too dirty here, but that is fine. And it says here that the POLÈNE has selected a box. Did I mention the brand? I don't think I've mentioned the brand. Voila! I have a brand new bag from the Parisian brand POLÈNE, which manufacture everything. I believe is designed in Paris, but all the goods are designed in Spain. And rumor has it that the leathers that they use, the techniques are chef's kiss. Voila then, POLÈNE has selected a box covered with a paper made of 25% leather scraps and 40% post-consumption recycled cellulose. I'm not sure what cellulose is, but this all sounds to me very sustainable, recyclable, and good for the environment, which is really good. Of course, the brown box will be recycled, but I'm going to keep this box, and this is how I will keep the bag when I don't use it. So opening the box, we have the infamous bag cover that in a lot of YouTube videos that I've watched, everyone mentions the dust bag. Indeed, the fabric is quite thick and I really like it. It's not the softest, but it's a very good dust bag. It has these little details over here. I would have liked if this was leather or more elevated, the fabric, but it is fine. I like that it is beige and black. Let me show you inside how the bag has been wrapped. So you can see, of course, it is a black bag. I mean, my first POLÈNE purchase had to be a black bag, no? I love black. Actually, today I'm wearing a black and white outfit, and this, moving now to another subject, this t-shirt I absolutely love. The size is large and it is my husband's. I've got this for him as a little gift from COS. It was a pack of 3 t-shirts and I love it. I think next time I'm gonna get t-shirts from COS. I'm gonna get something from the men's section. Maybe medium, not large. Not that I don't like it here, but it is quite long. So yeah, if you are interested on my thoughts on this, yeah, go and check out the men's section. Okay, coming back to POLÈNE and the bag unboxing. Let me now take it out of the dust bag. I have to say, guys, that here, but even the brown box smells of leather. It's a beautiful smell. Let's have a sip of coffee. And I have to say that this is a little treat to myself. I don't know, recently we've become just over 1,000 of beautiful people on this platform, and I thought, why not? Let me just treat myself to a little gift, and I've wanted to get a bag for such a long time from this specific brand. And I don't know, something tells me that this is not going to be my first purchase from the brand. Maybe once we get this channel monetized, I can reward myself with a little something extra. Who knows? Let's see. Voila, guys, the bag is coming out. So like that. And the big reveal. It is wrapped with beautiful light beige paper, which makes this beautiful sound that I adore. Okay, and on the sides you can see the bag is Numero Neuf. I like a lot of their styles, but I have to say from the start this particular design just spoke to me in my heart, because it's such a unique design and shape, and I went for the small size. I'm going to remove this. This is plastic. Some other brands usually place here paper, but this is bubble wrap. We could do without it, but it's fine. So this is the little Numero Neuf, is the mini one. I think this one is the front side, because it's very discreetly says POLÈNE. There's no POLÈNE on the other side. We have a closure like that with a little magnetic button. There's no zip or anything. A little label. that I think gives some instruction on how to take care of your bag. And then we have the strap. I love that it is, of course, it is leather. I wouldn't like it to be chain, and I love that it is quite thin. It's not chunky at all. So I haven't placed the strap yet. I just wanted to try and show you the inside of the bag. It is very small, and as a lot of other content creators that I've watched have said, it is a small bag and you cannot fit a lot of things. But I didn't want a big bag. I wanted a small bag. I don't carry a purse with me, and I try what I carry with me, what I have on me, to be as minimalistic as possible. I don't want to carry a lot of stuff, and I don't want my bag to be too heavy. I think it's a bit of a task to remove the paper, but voila, everything has been removed. You cannot see anything because everything is black, but the opening is quite small. I think it's like 2 fists of mine, and there's only one compartment. But once we close the bag, I think it's fairly secure, because then the opening on the sides is very, very small. So voila, this is the bag, and over here we have the bits where we can attach the strap. There is a very discreet Polene on this metallic detail, and I love these drapes around the back. And I love the idea that the Polene is here instead of in the middle, you know. It's quite discreet. If you want, you can put this to show on the front, or you can just turn it and carry it like that. So this is the bag. I think I'll probably do a separate video to show you what fits inside my bag, because I want to try it first, start wearing it, see what I'm carrying on a daily basis. But when I say daily, this is not a bag, at least for me in my lifestyle, for every day. This is going to be my afternoon, evening bag when I go out and about, so it will not be a bag that I will take with me at work, if it makes sense. So I don't want it to be a casual, everyday bag. I think it's too chic for everyday use, and something tells me that she doesn't fancy being on the tube on a daily basis. Guys, if you like the content of this video, and if you enjoyed it, like it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and watch out for my next video, and also for an upcoming video on more details on this Polène Numero Neuf bag. Thank you so much for being here. Until next time, big kiss from me to all of you. Ciao guys.